Hi, I'm Matt Carse from J Riley Beet Harvesters UK Limited. We're here today setting off a brand new Q-616 in Norfolk, today specifically with the new Rollerbed cleaning unit. So it's just going to do a short walk around video and just highlight some specs of this new machine. So this customer is a new customer from us, coming away from a competition machine to our machine. So from the front going backwards, we are a combi topper. Standard is an integral mulcher topper, but obviously we've got the facility to mulch the tops as well as leaf spread out the side. Topper wheels obviously adjustable on the handles here from 18 to 20 inches. Auto steering at the front for the rear axle, and then we have share steering for the front axle. So we can adjust the topper for maintenance position out here from these two buttons, as well as the road change from 45 to 50. Easy as. So moving on from the topper, we've got the Scalper units, height adjustable, and the tension can be adjusted with the spring. We have free tension settings available. Moving on from that, we have the depth wheel shaft with flipper paddles to help the beet feeding through. There's 7 depth wheels there. And then unique to Vervaet, we have the rotating walking shares just to gently shuffle and walk the beet onto the new cleaning unit we have here today. Here today we have the Rollerbed on the Q616, which is new to this season. Vervaet developed the Rollerbed on their machines 2 seasons ago to accompany the cleaning turbines. So we can now offer 4-wheel machines, 6-wheel machines, Rollerbed or turbines. 7 rollers in the bed, variable speed from 300 RPM to 600 RPM. The rear roller, the 7th roller, is reversible. And then unique to Vervaet, we go on to a turbine as opposed to a transfer web on the competition machines. So you have the ultimate in cleaning really. 7 rollers followed by 4 cleaning turbines. Tyre options on this machine, we've gone for Michelin 870 R38s. We also have 710s or 900 tyres available, but commonly spec'd in the UK would be the 800 tyres. Coming on from there, we obviously have the 4 cleaning turbines after the Rollerbed. Gates can be spec'd, pigtail tines, bar gates. Today we're here in some kind land in sort of Norfolk, so we've predominantly got bar gates. Gate height can be adjusted hydraulically as an option. We've staggered the last 2 turbines to give such a longer cleaning path rather than just straight turbines narrowly weaving through, so we get you know, the maximum cleaning from such a space. So the unique position of the ring trace web closely constructed to the unloading elevator gives us this space here for such a tight turning circle of the rear axle. So we have the turntable here, and the Vervaet uniquely has the facility to turn back on itself as and when, if need be, harvesting up and down. So from an access point of view, getting into the machine if need be and changing any times is very easy. Another unique point to Vervaet, so we have front axle and rear axle automatic leveling. So working on a gyroscope on a hillside, we can automatically level the complete machine. Another point, access. Toolbox can easily be moved, so you can get into your cleaning turbines again, make any adjustments or change any gates as and when need be. Access to your floor chains and tensioning as well, easy to get to. Rear tyres, we have the Michelin 1050 50 R32. Optional, we can have a Michelin 1000 by 55 R32 tyre. Unique to Vervaet, so we have big back tyres running in line of the front axle, giving a complete ground coverage and such a tight turning circle when need be on the headlands or coming back into your work. So from day one, Vervaet have been working with DAF engines, so we've got the DAF PACCAR engine, 530 horsepower, giving very good fuel consumption no matter what the condition. We're 40k on the road, so yeah, as quick as any other harvester on the market. 1,000 litre fuel tank, 80 litre AdBlue tank, so yeah, fuel efficiency and access to the engine bay is good. Ultrasonic tank filling front and rear, so you can set the percentages in the screen, so you can have a certain percentage to the front, to the rear, and then back to the front for good weight distribution. So if you're in challenging conditions, you can adjust where the tank is filling according to where you want the weight for better traction. We're around 18 tons in the tank. So customer here today is working with 20-ton trailers, so unloading on the move is filling 20-ton trailers comfortably. So Vervaet, using the class cab as well as on the slurry range of machines, we work with a class cab in Vervaet's own software developed in-house, so everything is familiar on the joystick, every function or adjustment is there on the main screen, so rollerbed speed, topper speed, share speed, depth wheel speed, all of your speeds that you need are there at the touch of a button. Camera system as well, last turbine coming onto the ring trace, third turbine you've also got your unloading view, which switches automatically, a 360-degree view camera for sort of reversing and seeing all around the machine, and yeah, a all-round good environment for the operator. So to this day, Vervaet remains the UK market leader for sugar beet harvesters. We have well over 170 machines in the UK, and we're looking to grow that market share even further. Later this year we have a Q-616 rollerbed machine available, so for any demo bookings, any questions, anything at all, feel free to give me a call at J Riley Beet Harvesters.